with Castle here. I have the TSM-12 and the TSM-22 low-angle pocket machines here to demonstrate a simple way to pocket thinner materials on these machines. Out of the box, these machines are set up for 3/4 inch stock and up. So without any major machine changes, all we need to do is simply place a 1/8 of an inch thick shim or overlay plate on the work deck, and we're ready to cut pockets in thinner materials like 1/2 inch door stock. The shim will align the pocket in the thinner stock for a perfect pocket joint. My favorite shim stock is 1/8 inch hardboard with or without the white coating on it that we see here. Now you can usually get small pieces of this at your local home center. Now the shim doesn't have to be anything more than cutting a piece that's the same size as the work deck. However, what's nice about this is we can customize the shim with alignment marks that are for, say, a particular job or particular series of products. Here's a layout that was designed for cutting pockets in kitchen cabinet drawers. Here's a more general layout where we've lasered a ruler to the left and right side of the pocket. Now these customized shims will not only make it easier for the machine user, they'll also help eliminate mistakes. The layout can be as simple as using a Sharpie or a pencil, or they can be processed on a CNC like we've done here. The shim can be attached to the machine work deck using your favorite method. Two suggestions would be to just use clamps when pocketing narrow material like drawer stock, or use double-sided tape when pocketing panels. So these particular designs have tabs built into them that make aligning the shim super easy. Let's cut a few pockets with the TSM-22 using our custom drawer shim. Again, since we're pocketing narrow stock, all we need to do is use clamps to hold down the shim. Here's our drawer stock. It's 7 inches wide. Each end is going to get 3 pockets. Let's cut the pockets. There we have it, perfectly aligned, super clean pockets. I do want to mention that depending on your screw length, you may need to adjust the web, which is the distance between the end of the board and the bottom of the pocket. This may need to be adjusted so that you end up with the appropriate amount of screws stick out entering your opposing piece. This web adjustment is super easy on both the TSM-12 and TSM-22 pocket machines. Links will be provided below for the DXF files so you can create your own thin stock shim. Stay tuned for more tips and product videos. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.